Welcome to my channel. Chana Daal Gosht. Let's make delicious Chana Daal Gosht. Garlic, onion and some spices to the mutton and cook it well. Cumin, thick cardamom, dry coriander. Add water. Salt. Add oil in pan. Add cumin and dry coriander, red chili. Add boiled mutton in oil. And fry well. Add yogurt in it. Add turmeric. Red chili powder. Add soaked dal in it. Cooked well. Add salt. Homemade spice. Cooked well. Alhamdulillah. Add green coriander. Ready for eat delicious mutton chana dal. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.